how we clean. That's how we clean. Do you see my shit squirting out on the highway?
Yeah.
I'm gonna spend $20 on a sticker.
Didn't you already buy it?
Yeah, I did. I also bought the your local asshole sticker. Shit don't work anyways.
Need anything greased? Okay.
You could have greased the windshield wiper. Oh my god, I'm getting bit everywhere.
I mean, I still have these two.
Putting our steering wheel cover on because you know quality product from Walmart.
Oh wow.
See if I can get this shit on.
It's gonna be a bit.
Yeah, getting her freaking fuzzy one on.
That you keep ripping off.
Yeah, 'cause it's annoying.
You're annoying.
Feels like I'm choking your cat. I don't know if this is gonna fit.
You know, it will.
We need help.
She's fucked.
It will fit.
That's what she said. I give up.
I was gonna hold it.
Oh yeah, my hair is brown.
I had a mullet. You need to cut it.
I don't. Cocksucker. It's fine. Everything's gonna be okay. Why can't this be easier?
Because then it will fly off.
I thought that was a zipper. I was like, is there really a zipper on this? Jesus Christ.
Dirk. That's how you feel right now, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm a little sweaty. It's almost done. Oh my god. So tight. Tighter than a virgin on prom night. Oh my god. Stole that one from Mark.
Yeah, I know.
I'm trying to put his belt on. Oh, my finger's stuck in it. My finger is stuck. Ah! Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. I don't like it.
Good luck getting it off.
It's easier getting it off than putting it on. Oh my god, my hair is atrocious. Wow. Welcome to the video. Alright guys, so we're back up on Mount Beacon. This time we have my friend Robert. It's a regular Cherokee?
Cherokee, actually.
Yeah.
Sport.
What year is it?
97.
Mine's a 96. I'm older than you. By a year. Yeah.
I'm older than you in real life.
So? You're also taller than me. You look like a giraffe.
Cut that out. Cutting that out.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
No, I am not cutting that out. Yeah, so we're just gonna be filming a bunch of different stuff going off-roading on Mount Beacon with another Jeep now. This time if we get stuck again, we have someone to pull us out because last time it was an atrocious mess. We had to wait like an hour for a friend. Yeah, because they're rusted. There's just a shit ton of nails over here. You should roll around in them.
You should roll around in them.
You want me to?
Yeah.
I will. Ask him how much stupid shit I did in high school.
Roll around in them.
Yeah.
Stale marshmallow.
Yeah. Yeah, we did a lot of stupid shit in high school. Come on. Come on. Come on. Up. To the right. Come on. There you go. You hit the side of mine, but it's fine. He like tapped it. It's fine. We're back at the pretty view. See, isn't this a better view? You just fell out. Oh my god.
Jesus Christ, how badly did I hit your car?
No, not you tapped it.
Oh, I tapped it?
Yeah, the plastic fender hit my plastic fender. It's fine. Alright guys, so we decided at this very moment that when we are climbed up on the rocks that we were going to fix our fuse for our balloon cluster. Because I got intrigued. We found that the cluster fuse was blown. So, see, is it going to spark again? Oh, it's sparking. It's making sparking noises. Turned on. It's low again.
Lights are.
Fuck yeah, bud! Ow! We did it!
You have a full tank of gas.
Oh my god.
We do?
Yeah. Is it overheating? No.
Your ABS is on though.
Yeah, no. Is the check engine light still on?
The only light that works. The ABS light was the only light that
No, your
works.
check engine light is not on.
So the check engine light's gone. It finally works. We have 219,000 miles.
Look, see, the hood's open, but it's not open.
I got 78, 80,000 miles.
Yeah, we have 219,000. We're gonna try and hit 300 before this thing blows up.
Good luck.
Ew!
Anything to say? Alright, so we're gonna try and get him down without ripping his bumper off because he's pussy and doesn't want to rip his bumper off. There's a giant stump right there. Do not pop your tire on it. Jesus. Let's go straight back. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah, you're fine. So we're gonna be showing Robert where we got stuck last time up over here. Oh, there's our styrofoam piece from the bumper.
Your fucking marks.
Yeah, that's from Will's bumper. That's our bumper right there. These are all our tracks, and you could see right here we got stuck, and the tire marks coming through here. This is a lot more wet than it was.
The bumper.
And half of our car
Come up this way or did you come down?
from this way, and we were hanging off right here.
Yeah, you can
You could see right here.
we used that log to try to get out.
Yeah. It's probably part of the Jeep. Not yours. Yeah.
Where's your plastic piece?
Yeah, another one. There's some of our headliner. Oh my god. Oh my god, there are so many freaking bugs. Yeah, they definitely do not come through here. We could have made it over this, but
Got stuck
wait,
over
we did make it over this. We got stuck on here, and then I backed it up, and I went too far over the edge, and I got stuck there. This water is disgusting.
there. We got stuck twice.
Yeah, we got out the first time, then we need to call for help for the second time. Let it go all the way back and then come up. Come more this way so you're on the rock.
You didn't wait for me?
Am I good?
Stop.
Is there a tree?
Yeah. You're good. Can you close my window?
What?
Close my window.
Why? I don't think I'm gonna fit. Back it up. Watch your mirror. And your front end. Not gonna hit you.
Keep turning. Oh.
This hole too big. Huh? This fucking car is too big.
Turn it.
What?
What did you hit?
What?
What did you hit?
Where's your seat? I can't see through the window, it's covered in mud.
Me?
Alright, so we're parked up again. My Jeep is so much muddier than Robert's Jeep because Robert's being a little bitch and not sending it hard enough. Oh my god, look at here. Looks like dog shit.
Why do you think I'm wiping it off?
All over your face.
Yeah, I know. That's kind of cute. It's all over your face too.
Yeah.
But you only have one speck. What the hell?
Because I wiped off the rest.
Oh.
It's in my hair.
Mine's still wet, yours is still all dry. Swastika. Jeeps do look better muddy though. Alright, so we're gonna be cleaning off our old headlights because they're just a little dirty and we don't want to get ticketed because cops, you know, tickle you for the stupidest shit, like no bumper. I got a ticket for not having a front bumper. Oh, it's on my hand. It's fine. Don't you like how much they wiggle? Great. This is classic. So we're about to leave and I found some froggy friends. Look at my froggy friends in the park. This asshole's trying to run him over. Look how cute he is. He's so cute. That one's just chilling.
Probably dead.
No, he's breathing. I see his air bubbles. I lightly tossed him. Oh my god. Alright, so we just arrived at the mall after doing a little bit of mud and we're getting so many stairs. But Robert is having a vibrating issue. It's your fan. Yeah, that's your fan.
I think it might have to cool down.
It sounds like it's wobbling. Yeah, it's wobbling. It's loose. This one's fine, it's this one. It's wobbling back and forth when it's spinning. But my drive shaft sounds like it's about to explode.
No.
No.
It's not.
Well, I hit him if I open this.
No, he's on the floor.
Damn. I don't see anything.
It's fine.
I'm just gonna let it keep plunking. It likes making those noises. It's a Jeep thing. It's a Jeep. Yeah.
Tell them how you feel.
I feel happy. We have a muddy Jeep. We have two muddy Jeeps. Roll it back. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. The Jeeps are covered in mud. Wow, thanks for the finger. We're gonna be letting Raina drive home in the death box. And yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.